Hi guys, my name's Calvin. Welcome to the Military Misfit channel. Today I want to talk about the original SOE AK M4 chest rig. So, original SOE is a company based in Camden in Tennessee. It started out, it's run by a guy named John Willis, and he started building gear back in the 90s. At that time he was based in Oceanside, California, and quite close to the Marines and Navy SEALs, and so he built a reputation for himself building tough, overbuilt gear for those communities. His original stuff has got quite a price tag on the collector's market, so if you've got an old Frog chest rig or LBVs there somewhere, definitely check it out, it might be worth something. Alright, so onto the chest rig. As you can see, multicam. It's designed around the AR and AK platforms, and it's got 4 mag pouches on the front. These are designed to hold 2 each AR or AK mags. They will also fit 308 mags, but they'll only hold 1. John was known for overbuilt gear. Back in the 90s, everyone kind of had their way of doing that. Tactical Tailor would line their pouches with a sort of like a vinyl material. HSGI would use heavy duty thread, a lot thicker than the industry standard, and what John did was he just doubled up on everything really. So for example, if we open up the mag pouch here, you can see you've got 1000D Cordura on the outside, and then on the inside we have webbing, so that's not going to wear out. The pouch itself is made of 2 layers of Cordura, and at the top it's reinforced with webbing as well. So again, it's very stout construction. The Velcro, most people here would just have the Velcro loose, but John's put webbing on the back of it again. So very overbuilt, very heavy duty. For example, these lids are removable, and you can actually put quite big gear in them. This here is a King Canteen. It's an I think 87 ounce one, 27 ounce King Canteen, or 800 mils. To give you an idea of size, so that's 23.5 centimeters tall and roughly 7 centimeters in diameter. So but you see, you could put quite a bit in there, like a radio, medical gear, water bottles, what have you. On the front of the pouches we have a 2x2 PALS grid for adding extra pouches, but there's no PALS on the sides. Personally, I quite like this type of chest rig with the fixed mag pouches and then like the modular side. It gives a lot of versatility, I think. So on the sides of the mag pouches we have a 3x4 PALS grid. John doesn't like using the multicam webbing, so he's just got 1000D Cordura and just folded that up, and then just like stitched it. There's, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitch lines running through it, holding it all together. So that's not going anywhere, it's not going to come undone. The harness here attaches using 1.5 inch clips. So this was sort of peak 90s technology, back when everything was like overbuilt, so not designed to work with swift clips or anything like that. I believe it's Travis Rolfe with Mayflower Research and Consulting, and he was kind of the first person to come out and start doing stuff in 500D Cordura. So this is a bit before that time, or the design of it is anyway. Yeah, so for harness it's padded, not very thick, a decent amount of padding on there, but not over the top. We've got some PALS webbing at the front and then some more at the top, and then on this side we have some elastic for comms and hydro tubes and things. It's adjustable H harness, and you've got loop Velcro on the back for your cool guy patches. Another nice feature is down here, John's stitched it, so if you wanted to you could cut that down and it wouldn't fray on you because there'd be a line of stitching there to hold it together. Here we have the label, made in the motherfucking USA, just in case there's any doubt. And then at the sides again, 1.5 inch webbing buckles. The harness is quite comfy, it works really well. It works okay under a pack, it's not too much, it's quite good. And yeah, loads of adjustment in there, should you need it. At the back we have a standard 1 inch webbing strap for as a chest strap. And then the main body of it is, this is where it gets interesting. So we start out here, we've got a standard map pocket. This is quite a decent size. If you wanted to, you could run inserts in there. So this here is the Plat Attack map insert, and as you can see, loads of room in there. And then over here you have a Mayflower 3 mag shingle, and again you could run that in there quite easily as well if you wanted. Inside also there is another Velcro loop section, so if you wanted to run organisers and so on, that will work out quite well. And then over here we have two flat pockets. These are on both ends, and these are designed for radios, but you could fit all kinds of stuff in there, like a handgun or perhaps more medical gear, whatever really. These pockets are lined with loop Velcro, and so you can adjust the height of things with this adapter here. And again, it's not just like Velcro like you would normally expect. They've sewn webbing onto the back of it to make it more sturdy and more hard wearing. On the side is this pocket's gusseted, so it's got plenty of room to expand depending on what you put in there. But here, you know, this is what we're talking about, again, being overbuilt. So we've got a layer of multicam Cordura there, and then inside is a second layer. You've got green Cordura. This makes up the front part as well, and then again on top of that you have the multicam. And that was kind of John's thing, was like doubling everything up. I had one of his Powell's LBVs, and it was an OD green, and so the outside of it was green, but when you opened up the zipper pocket inside, you could see that that was using UCP camo material. So the front layer of it was actually 2 layers, and it made for a very sturdy vest. It was very comfortable to wear, to carry a lot of weight. But again, the downside is like all the Cordura and Velcro and so on adds up, and it gets a bit hefty in the weight department. Alright guys, that's basically it. Yeah, pretty simple, but a lot of features. I really like this chest rig. I think it's pretty cool, and it's a neat piece of gear history. We don't really see stuff like this anymore, like overbuilt like this, but obviously you know, we can see chest rigs that have come out on the market now from the likes of Onward Research and T-Rex Arms, and again they follow this basic layout, you know, with the fixed ammo pouches and then pals on the side. A lot of them now also will have Velcro on the back, so you can add radios and things on the inside. It's just a different way of doing it. Alright guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. I hope this was useful. Catch you later. Cheers.